Good evening, everyone. Right now, I'm in the most peaceful place in this universe. Nimpo dila? Lah, yang nanta? Arong solo bang. It's Nimpo. Uh, in English, I forgot with English. Sama going. It's a sesame. Sesame, but English mana? Nimpo mana? Nimpo orang. Ah, pandai lah yo. Tepik. Sana, nimpo orang teklok pet.
Làm cái sen nó
Nimpo orang bagan.
bắp cho SCP pinelo là
And
bắp
opposite of this Asisame, one, two, three constructions of the bridge. I'll show you the constructs of the bridge. I hope you all are fine, guys, and I miss you all. Sorry for not active in YouTube these days due to some busy works. Anyways, thanks for constantly support my channel. That's the bridge. So uh why we are coming here? Gusto na ni si contractor kaya nang si nang sila nang assistant contractor lo buang kaya
là pu lang ni long bong long là hay năng cái đồn
1 week pag doon nang silang hindi nasi nang silang doon. See, right now it's only 30% the work has been done, so we have to do lots of hard work again for this bridge.
có lại trồng thông tham cái